Hello guys, Bok.
Today we are going to visit some organizations here in Zaboku. We're going to ask them a couple of questions.
Come with us.
Can you talk to me briefly about the organization?
We are the Multiple Sclerosis Society of Krapinsko-zagorske županije. We are a non-profit organization established to promote treatment, research, rehabilitation and protection of people with multiple sclerosis and related diseases.
What are the activities of the organization where you involve the volunteers?
We involve volunteers in a variety of activities like creative and educational workshops, environment cleanup, providing support for people with disabilities, charity events and public awareness events.
And why are the volunteers important?
Volunteers are essential because they help us reach more people and strengthen our impact in the community. Volunteers are their time, dedication and compassion makes a lot of our activities and services possible.
Next organization.
Can you talk to me about the organization a little bit?
Yes, so our organization is Zagorje-Sutla, or full name Local Action Group Zagorje-Sutla, which is actually association that brings together three sectors, so public, private and civil sector, in order to support sustainable rural development. And our core business is actually rural development and agriculture, but we do basically plenty of other things regarding also the volunteers, the entrepreneurship, some cultural initiatives, environmental activities, active participation activities, and so on. So we consist of 11 cities and municipalities. You can see it on the map over you, and yeah, that's basically it. We support rural development. That's our core business.
And you mentioned activities, so
Yeah.
what are the activities that involves volunteers?
So we include volunteers in basically all of our activities, for example in workshops, in cultural initiatives, in environmental actions and activities in local communities, then also the activities that involve young people, senior people, and yeah, all the other activities that involve active participation in the local communities.
And why do you think that volunteer is important?
I think that the volunteers are extremely important, not just for us, but in general. But when we speak about us, they are crucial because without them we wouldn't be able to actually do a lot of stuff that we do. For example, they are crucial when it comes to organizing some cultural events or basically any event, because they provide their help and technical support. And also, I think they are extremely important because they give us this sense of togetherness, and they show that okay, this might sound like a cliche, but it really is like that. It's the most important things that you do with your heart, without thinking that you have to get something material in return. And yeah, that basically shows that this togetherness and mutual actions really do make a change, especially in our community that's like rural and local.
Let's go to the next one.
Hello, can you tell me about the organization a little bit?
This organization called Society Our Children. It's a non-governmental organization which implements programs, action, activities, projects for children and youth of Zaboku in their free time.
In which activities are the volunteers involved?
Volunteers are involved in many activities of Society Our Children because that's the majority of activities are led by volunteers. For example, we have some workshops created for children, then we have picture corner, then we have a program Read to Me, we have some healthy workshops, cooking for children, children's choir, And also we have a program for Children's Forum and Children's City Council that also are led by volunteers.
Can you tell me why are volunteers important?
I can say maybe in other words, volunteer is very important for us because we also have a program education for volunteering for children, members of Children's Council and Children's Forum, and that children in the future will become active citizens and also leaders for programs, activities, workshops and projects of society, our children.
Let's go! Come with us! Come with us!
Can you tell us, please, where are we?
We are in City Library Ksaver Šandor Gjalski, Zaboku, and my name is Jana and I'm a librarian here.
Okay, can you tell us also, please, in which activities are the volunteers involved?
Volunteers are involved of a variety of activities. They participate in organization and implementation of cultural, educational programs, workshops, book promotions, library events and other activities.
Nice. And why do you think the volunteers are so important for the library?
Volunteers are very important because they enriching the library's work with their knowledge, skills, experience, and the time also volunteering in the library promotes the solidarity, intergenerational cooperation, and active citizen participation in community life.
And that's it.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.